Heading to the wrecking yard to pick up a rear door for this Chevy Express van. And I've already replaced the passenger side rear door with this because there's metal fatigue in the door right by the latch. I'm going to include a picture of what that looked like. And now for the driver's side door, the whole inner skin of the door is actually separating from the outer skin. And that's all from metal fatigue, which is a pretty common problem with these Chevy Express vans. And to pull this door off, there are 4 13mm bolts on the bottom. You remove the tail light, and there are 4 more 13mm bolts on the top one. And how I usually do is I'll keep the door shut after I remove the tail light, remove the bolts on this, and then down there, and use the latch to keep the door in place. And then it makes it super easy to replace. Pulling up to the pick and pull to look for this Chevy Express rear door. Meant to have 2 of them here, so hopefully one of them is in good condition. All right, let's look at some of the cars they have for sale. Old school Cadillac, Honda, oh wow, definitely a smoker's car. A couple Hyundais. Looks like they really don't have anything for cars for sale today. Chevrolet Equinox, that one doesn't look bad. Mini doesn't look bad, but unfortunately it's sold. Alright, let me find what we came for. So it's meant to be on row 12 and 13, and they're meant to have an 06 Chevy Express and a 2002, which are meant to be interchangeable. All right, there is row 12. Looks like a nice back door. I'm just not sure that I could get it off. Well, we'll use this for a backup option. I guess I could bust off the taillight and access the bolts and maybe get it off that way. Let's go look for the other one first. Looks like this is from the insurance auction. I'm gonna have to grab those headliners though. All right, let's look for, oh, this is a 2006, so the 413 is going to be the 2002. So this one is definitely a lot more accessible. A little bit of damage, but... Alright, let me get this open, see how good this door looks. To remove the back door on the Chevy Express van, there are 4 13mm bolts, 4 behind the taillight. And then you can't see them, but 4 are right behind the bumper. So let me remove the ones on the bottom first because they're a little bit harder to get to. And that is removing the door off a Chevy Express van. See what else they have at the wrecking yard. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.